for coming. My name is Sara Gueddes. I'm a student at BCU for the BA course for Design for Performance, and I'm here today to give you a tour around my motivations, my inspirations, my strengths, my weaknesses through all my work and dreams. So let's get started. Motivations, yeah, let's talk about motivation. My mom is my main motivation. She is my inspiration. She was the one who taught me how to be creative, how to be practical, how to be strong, how to be independent. And without those qualities, I wouldn't be here talking to you. And she was the one who gave a little push regarding my dream job, working at carnivals. She used to make these amazing outfits for carnival when I was a kid. She used to do butterflies, she used to do ladybugs, peacocks, you name it, she does it. She is amazing, and that's why she's my main inspiration. But to keep it in the family, I have to talk about my nieces as well, because they just boost my creativity to the roof. They make me feel young every single time. They love my crazy ideas. They always say yes to my crazy ideas. And the best part is that they are always challenging me to do more and to do different. And I think that's all about being an artist, or trying to become one. But to be fair, I wouldn't be what I am today if it wasn't for the traveling. Travel is the thing that I love the most, to inspire me, to make me have something else to do, because I can live it, I can see, I can feel, I can know the things by experiencing them. And I think nothing is better than that, than living, than be a part of something with different colors, different people, different smells, different places, different everything. So different is the best word of all. Don't you think, Wilson? What? It's so funny. Just some manners. So, we are here now to talk about my work. So, my work throughout the year. It was really difficult to concentrate around the year with work and everything happening. My first module, the body object module, was really confused. I was lost. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even think I understood the whole concept behind the module after I finished it. But with the second module, V 3001, I actually was more independent. I started to make these plastic fusion. So I was collecting plastic bottles and plastic containers and plastic tubs to create a fusion of plastic, basically. And I wanted to make jewelry with it, and what better place to make jewelry rather than the School of Jewelry. And I went there and I just went there and asked if I could, if they could help me making jewelry, and they said yes. They loved my idea. They were really helpful. They were really knowledgeable about plastic fusion as well. And I started to make jewelry in a totally different school, with totally different tutors, with totally different materials, with totally different machines. And it was really good. It was a skill that I learned, and that I was independent about it. Like I went there and I just asked, and nothing bad happened, only good things. And even the earrings that I'm using right now are made with plastic fusion. So yeah, it was amazing that module. I don't know if the actually work that I present showed everything that I'm saying now, but I really enjoyed it. I was motivated. I did something new that I was proud of, and it was about jewelry. I'm really passionate about jewelry. I'm really am. And yeah, Wilson is just saying, yes, she is. He knows it. For my last project, these 3003, I made Matt Wilson here. Say hi, Wilson. Hi. And with Wilson, it was really, really fun and strange because of the whole situation that we are living at the moment. But it was really fun. It is the closest project that I had regarding my dream, the carnival. And it is exactly what I want to do with my life. And I'd never created a puppet. I think they are quite powerful. They are really amazing characters, and I never tried it before, and I don't even know why, because I loved it. I'm actually a bit obsessed with puppets right now at the moment. Stop it. If we are talking about work, we have to talk about time management, or we have to talk about how I don't manage my time. That was, with no doubt, the most horrifying part of all year. I just don't know how to do it. I don't manage things. I don't plan things. I don't even ever watch to tell time. So it's really complicated for me, and it's something that I have to work on it or around it next year. So I just hope that that's going to help me at some point next year. I hope next year is going to help me with that. My strengths and weaknesses, my aims for the future. That's a good subject. I really want to go to design for performance and use my strengths to create the beautiful creatures like Wilson or something even bigger. I don't think small. I always think big. And I love everything about something that is exuberant and completely crazy. And my strengths are I'm really proactive. I'm really passionate about things. I love new ideas, and I can get out of my comfort zone really, really fast and with no problems at all. I always see the glass instead of full or empty, refilled. See? Refilled. So we talked about my strengths, but now we have to talk about my weaknesses, of course. And one of the main ones is that I get bored really, really easily. And when I do that, is because something is not making me happy, or the things that I'm working on it, they're not going as the way I planned. So when that happens, I put them aside, I ignore them, and I stop for a while and think about solutions, because I'm really bad at planning stuff. I have this tendency of actually doing before planning, and if it doesn't go as I intended to, I just put it aside. But at the same point, that's also a strength, because when it's going really well, I'm just engaged in it and I can't stop working on it. And if I put my mind onto it, I'm the best. to work with, and there's nothing that I want more than continue with this dream and be able to pursue the carnivals all around the world. And who knows? Who knows it's going to happen? But for that, I really need this course, and I really need to work on my weaknesses. And another one that is, as I told you before, sorry, time management. I just get sad. Thank you so much for the time that you spent with me. I hope that I made my person clear to you, and I will see you all next year. So say bye, Wilson. Bye. Thank you so much.